Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to connect Schlage Lock to new Wi-Fi, reconnect Encode and Encode Plus fast and easy. To connect your Schlage Lock to a new Wi-Fi network, you must be within Bluetooth range of the lock. Then open the Schlage Home app and go to Lock Settings. From there, select Wi-Fi Settings and choose Select Different Network to enter your new Wi-Fi details. Here is the step-by-step guide to follow. Step 1. Enable the Bluetooth. First, turn on Bluetooth on your mobile device and stand near your Schlage lock. Step 2. Now open the app. Launch the Schlage Home app on your smartphone. Step 3. Go to Settings. Now tap the three dots present next to the lock's name on the main screen and from there select Lock Settings. Step 4. Select Wi-Fi. Then tap on Wi-Fi settings. In it, choose Select Different Network. Step 5. Connect. Now select your new Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the network password and then tap Connect Wi-Fi. Some troubleshooting tips. 2.4 GHz requirement. Remember, Schlage smart locks are only compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. If you have a dual band router, ensure you are not trying to connect to the 5 GHz band. Next is connection issues. If your lock fails to connect, you may need to reset the Wi-Fi. So press and hold the black reset button on the inside of the lock under the battery cover until the LED flashes red, then repeat the setup process. Next is firmware and bridges. For older models like the Schlage Sense, make sure your Schlage Sense Wi-Fi adapter is plugged in and within the range. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.